Hi, how are you guys? Welcome to my succulent plants garden. Thank you guys like my video and subscribe me. Thank you very much. Today is very happy. I order again. That's right. That video is unboxing. That is very gorgeous plants. You know. He have the name is so good. It's called broccoli rice. That's so beautiful, you know. The plants I was is the planted 2 times already. That is the 3 times I bought it because I so love it. The color is so beautiful, but important is not easy to take care the plant. That's why I was ordered 2 times. They all is the you know it. That's why first time I think I bought it is the 2.0 because last time I bought the plant is the multi-head carpeting. It's so big and so beautiful and so expensive also, but I'm so love it. I just found that one is so nice, gorgeous. That's why after I bought it, I think it's so very hot to root load. That's why it really and broccoli rice is very hot to root load, and the leaves very easy to dry up. That's why, and not root load, and the leaf dry up already. That's why eat that. And excuse me, sorry. And the second time I said, oh no. When I found it, the plant is the more younger, but I think when I found it, but I'm so love it, I'm so excited. That's why after I bought it, not the good time. That's why it's not a good time for it. Same thing, not with raw, and weather I think was so hot. It that also. That's why, guys. And that time I saw they have for sure also. That's why I'm so excited. I hope it can will grow because that plant is not so old, not so young, on the middle. That's why, and right now only May. I think I have 1 more month left it will grow. That's why I hope that time I can keep it longer because it keeps it longer. You guys have the baby also. That's why, you know, after that time, I think I cannot carry. I don't want to buy it anymore. That's why. I opened the box already. Wow, look at it. How nice. That garden packet is so beautiful and nice. But that one is so expensive, guys. So pretty. When I open the box, I say, oh my god, so lovely packaging like that. That's why I hope the plant is good. Okay, let me open it. Let you guys see that. Show you guys the plant. Oh, gorgeous. Really happy. Yeah. Dun dun. Ah. Come on. Oh, beautiful, guys. Ah. That is, I want it. So beautiful. Oh, they have a baby also. But guys, yeah, later the stem look is the old also, not too young. Later on, I cut it, yeah, like that. Let it go the new one. I will, yeah. When the old stem, I always do like that. Yeah. Take out all the stem, the roots, they're not working anymore. That's why. Take out it, let it go the new one, and like that. See, they're not the young. They just cut one stem, and would plant it. If somebody wanna buy it, they show it like that. But oh my God, so gorgeous, so beautiful. I hope on that time they keep longer, you know, because when getting the broccoli lights, the vacation one, have to use the baby like that. The baby, they use the list not working. That's why. That one combo, you know, all same kinds, because oh, the lid no good now. The watery already. When I saw it, I think is the what do you call that? They one combo 3 plants is the $30. And when I wanna check out, they asking the shipping. The shipping is so expensive. That's why I'm thinking it's so expensive. I go to the garden, check out. Maybe I found something else enough for the free shipping. That's why. But when I check out the plan, the plan is exactly I have already. That's why I don't need something else. Just the plan only. Then I thinking I have 3 already, right? One combo. Okay, I want one more hat, because the one more hat can and do the instead the free the shipping price. That's why I click the button and I think I clicked the wrong button. They just get me. No, I didn't. I think I didn't click the wrong button, because I just want one more plant. One more plant for $10. The price is $10 and enough for the shipping. That's why I just click the single head. But I think I don't know what's wrong. And they thinking I click the button is the double for double, not just order the single head. That's why. And when I check out, I forgot to check. I forgot to go back to check how many plants I get it. That's why when I check out, I pay early. Then I'm so thinking, why I guess just only one combo 3 plant is the $30. Another one is $10. Supposed to be total is the 40 and tax. But when I check out, why the price so high? I have no idea because I didn't know they get me the double. But the plants arrived and I check out. Just open it. Like that. I saw 6 plants. Oh, I see. That's why the price so high. When I click the second time, they thinking I need the double. That's why. Okay. But the plan arrived already. I cannot cancel. I don't want to return it. That's why. Now I have 6 plants. So gorgeous. Okay. That's why. That is today. Show you guys the gorgeous plants. Guys. Okay lah, guys. Okay, today the open box is like that the video. Okay, thank you guys. Take the time to watch my video and help me up. And thank you guys. And I hope I can I can carry it because that's not the easy plants, but so gorgeous. I cannot get up. Okay, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Love you guys so much. Okay. Hope you enjoy my video and hope to see you on next video. Bye bye. Oh, friends, I think I have to remind you. Go back to my last video. Leave the comment over here. Let me know what plant you like it. Okay, I will check out at next video.